Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't even state the obvious, but I will anyways. This thing's been in a beautiful uptrend over the past several days, so I want to get some things mapped out here, as I know there's quite a few eyeballs on it. So let's first start by talking about levels of support. And first level is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $3.85. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $3.85, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above $3.85, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout point, and that sits right down there at right around $3.70. So near term, $3.85, $3.70. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things. So this, of course, assumes you have more of a broader time horizon. But that's the purple line right there, and the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So again, assuming you care about the big picture of things and you're saying, Clay, look, I just want a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Again, easiest way to do that, just use that purple line. As long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. What about future areas of potential resistance? For this, going to have to go scrunch up the chart here, maybe even go to another time frame, which is, this is all a good problem to have. It just shows that the price has not been up this high for a long time. So yeah, let's go to the daily time frame here. All right, there we go. So now each one of these candlesticks represents an entire day. Next overall area of resistance is going to be right up there at about $4, $4.05, whatever you want to call it. But if you go back way into the history, and I say history, I mean, we're talking back here in August, a couple of times right there. Price was rejected by it. Price was rejected by it. So between 405, public enemy number one going forward. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on building higher bases like it's been doing, the chart's going to continue to take care of itself. Very nice move today. We'll see how the rest of this week unfolds. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.